So this is our first sunny day in about a week during the raining season here. Looks gorgeous. Update time, take a look at this. Look at these babies. Look at this, they're climbing. And if you peek closely here, oh my goodness. Oh my, look what we got here, boys. Look what we got here growing on the vine. Heck yeah. So again, the Hallertau really, they're climbing up high. So the hope is that we'll grow enough of these that then we can transfer some of the root systems to our next field. That's the idea anyway. We added some more of the rope to let these expand out. Each one of the vines grow up. Look at them just reaching out towards me. Like climbing. Look at that one. Again, this is the Hallertau, the German hop. And we got the Cascade, which I haven't seen any of the flowers yet on the Cascade. Still making their way up. And they're getting really thick, 2 or 3 or 4 kind of wrapping around each one. I don't even know if that's good, but it looks like it's making for strong root systems. Anyway, more Cascade. Here's the Shinsuwase, which, as you can see, they branch out. These guys have basically fallen in love. They're hugging each other. Connected. And I shouldn't say guys, they're girls. We'll keep it gender free. This one has climbed up and now is branching out that way. Wow. So, there's the hops. Looking good. Stay tuned. We'll check in again soon.